The new keyframe animation feature in RS allows users to easily animate a smooth progression between two or more specified views. This will be available in the 2020 R1 release of Tecplot RS. So let me create a quick keyframe animation to demonstrate how this is going to work. I'm going to start by appending my initial view, or where I want my animation to start. Now I could rotate, zoom, or translate my grid solution and append additional views. I could also move the keyframes closer together if I wish to shorten up a movie, and name them for easy reference. And now I can animate my keyframe animation within the interface of RS to see what my movie looks like. And finally, I could export the movie into my preferred output format. The resulting output movie can then be shared with colleagues or embedded into a presentation.